Just like many of you, I have looked long and hard for a microphone solution that will improve the audio quality of my recordings. I finally settled on the Rode NT2a. I wanted a variable polar pattern microphone, and finally, after a lot of looking, like you guys are probably doing or have done, I settled on the NT2a and not the NT1 or one of the other multi-pattern microphones. This is the Studio solution. I'll do a quick unboxing here. Looks like instruction manual, nice sticker, 10-year warranty. I guess I have to register the microphone. Down here you have, looks like a very sturdy, heavy-duty XLR cord with a Velcro strap to hold everything together. Nice touch. Wow, pretty hefty microphone. Interesting, this is loose. No biggie, but this is a very solid feeling microphone. I can see the reflection of the condenser inside the microphone shield. I don't know if you guys can see it. I really wanted to get this microphone for its multi-pattern characteristics. I don't care so much about these other settings right here, the high-pass filters and stuff like that. I wanted to be able to use this as a solo microphone, or if I were to use one mic for an interview situation, I want to be able to run this one microphone. And I was tired of using the $16 newer made-in-China condenser stuff. A nice storage cloth. SM6 shock mount with pop shield. Let's see what this is all about on the inside here. Nicely packaged. Wow, this thing is sizable. The shock mount is substantial. Pop filter. Big shock mount. All right, that's it for the unboxing. Hope you found this unboxing video to be helpful in your decision to purchase or evaluate this microphone. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Hit the thumbs up if you like it. If not, let me know what you don't like. Take care.